As you look at enabling transportation strategy to be deployed, you need to have the business processes and the automation associated with optimizing your transportation network, optimizing the use of your carrier network, optimizing the flow of information as it moves throughout the different components of the supply chain. And transportation technology today helps you do that. How does that do that? For instance, in a software as a service environment. In that environment, you have a platform of technology that allows you to pre-connect with your carrier networks. You also have transportation technology that provides you data associated with that which you are moving through that network. So what does that mean, data? Data means that as you're connecting with all of these participants, and many people use a single instance multi-tenant platform, there's information that resides there that allows you to be smarter at what you're doing from a transport perspective and benchmark yourself against, so to speak, the industry. The key to the transportation and the enabling technologies is to eliminate the things that you do manually, that you don't need to do, that you don't need the mind thought to actually take and point and click and do the things on a daily basis. You want automation to take over where automation makes sense. Where you want your transportation professionals to step in and leverage this technology is in analytics, as in exceptions, and then executing most effectively in developing out best practices and standard operating procedures.
There's literally thousands and thousands of carriers out there in the marketplace that you could potentially do business with. So the key is to really identify who are the carriers that are truly complementary to my business and I'm truly complementary to them. We can also leverage the network to identify who are shippers that we ought to partner with. So we have a whole program called Green Lanes, where you as a shipper can look at what are the other shippers in the LeanLogistics network that have lanes and places where our freight is complementary to each other. And that's part of the power of the network.
Developing a transportation strategy to leverage a collaborative network takes a conscious effort. It's really about understanding and seeing what's happening, first and foremost within your own network. But once you get there, there's a lot of LTL shipping that's still happening. There's a lot of 80% full trucks that could be 100% full via collaborative opportunities, both within your network, that is, with other divisions, with your suppliers, even with your carrier partners, but also across networks. Now, in order to do it with other shippers, you truly have to see what's happening in your own network, understand where you have consistent flows, understand where you have freight that's conducive to cross-loading and transportation consolidation opportunities. Optimization and transparency, and those are enabled solely and almost exclusively by a single instance multi-tenant SaaS technology. Hosted solutions, installed solutions simply don't have the real-time technology necessary in order to enable these opportunities.